You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be born creative. You just need to think differently. Because genius isn't luck, it's strategy. Every creative person you admire isn't smarter than you. They just learned how to connect what others ignore. Most people waste their potential because they believe they're not special. They scroll, compare, and convince themselves they don't have it. But listen, you don't need talent to build something powerful. You just need a system to create ideas that move people. That system is what every self-made genius uses, even if they started broke, lost, or invisible. Here's the truth. Creativity is nothing more than combining old ideas in new ways. Steve Jobs didn't invent the smartphone. He took what already existed and made it unforgettable. Einstein didn't invent physics. He just saw what everyone else looked at differently. You don't need a new world. You need a new lens. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Absorb like your life depends on it. Read, watch, listen. Fill your mind with quality input, not junk. Step 2. Write down everything. Every idea, quote, or observation, stack them. Step 3. Combine what doesn't belong. That's how you turn confusion into creativity and ordinary into original. You're not uncreative, you're untrained. Stack your ideas, connect your thoughts, and keep building. Because the man who learns to think can create anything: wealth, freedom, and legacy. And if this spoke to you, watch the next video. It'll teach you how to control your mind like a weapon.